Thanks for joining us for another Teacher Gradebook Reports review. Today we're going to be looking at highlighted grades. So in Focus, you'll notice that when you look at the highlighted grades report, you're going to see any student with a highlighted grade. It'll include the student name, assignment, the points that were earned on that assignment, if points were given, percentage, letter grade, comments, and the assigned and due date for those assignments. As always, if you want to include inactive students, you just select that checkbox at the top right. Now that we've reviewed the highlighted grades report, let's look at how to actually add a highlighted grade. So from your gradebook, if you go to an assignment, double-click on the grade entry, you can then select the checkbox next to highlight. This creates a highlighted grade. You can also enter comments here. You'll notice, once you've highlighted a grade, when viewing your gradebook, that grade is going to show as bold. So that's another way to quickly identify highlighted grades within the gradebook. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to be notified when new content's released.